Okay, here we are with an object sliding from rest on a frictionless inclined plane. We're told the vertical displacement and we're looking for the displacement during the next second. Hit pause, try the question, and then press play. Okay, hopefully you've had a chance there to try the question. Now this question, I think you might be tempted to start thinking a little bit about forces, mg sine theta. This is very much a kinematics question, and we'll look at why that is during this part of the video. So firstly, I think it's very worthwhile reading the question carefully. We're looking for the vertical displacement during the next second. So many students at this stage will calculate the final vertical displacement. That's not what we want. We want the change in displacement. We want essentially displacement at the end, take away displacement at the beginning. So let's have a little look here. Firstly, we're going to use s equal to ut plus a half at squared here. We're going to use the fact that u is equal to 0, so we can have simply s equal to half at squared. Now we know that the vertical displacement during this time is 1.5, okay, which means that if we're looking at the vertical motion, we're looking at S1 is going to be half at squared. We know that that is 1.5, so we know that half a is equal to 1.5. Now it looks a little bit clumsy here. You might wonder why I'm doing that. You'll see why in a second. We're then going to calculate S2. Now S2, again, is half at squared, but this time S2, that's after 2 seconds, is going to be a half of a times 2 squared, which is 4 times 1 over 2a. Now notice we know 1 over 2a here, so we know that we have that value of 1.5 in here. We're going to do 4 multiplied by 1.5 to give me 6. As said at the beginning, the final displacement after the 2 seconds is 6 meters. The initial displacement after 1 second was 1.5. So to find our change in displacement, we're going to take 6, take away 1.5, and get a 4.5, which is why the answer here is C. Now, I've seen students struggle with this question quite a lot. And the main reason is that reading of the question, making sure that you are always looking at the question and calculating the change in the displacement. I'm very surprised that there is not 6 as one of the answers here, because that would be a really nice red herring for you. So at least you won't fall into that trap as well.